Hello, this is Vince from Sniper Day Trading, and what you're looking at here is first trade of the day here for me at 11:01, just after 11 o'clock. I went long here on the S&P, scaled out of the trade at 3 ticks, and did not get any follow through. The trade worked against me here, and closed it out here at minus a point. Wish I could have easily closed this out a little bit sooner, but at any rate, took minus a point on the second half, so it was +3, -4 for net loss of 1 tick on one contract, minus 1250. This here, I was pretty convinced that this was the bottom. Re-entered long in here, 3 contracts long, sold those, sold 2 of them out at 5 ticks at a point and a quarter. And let's see, I had 1 left. I sold 2. This 1 stands for 1 left. And then I rode this out. Was expecting much higher prices. I was commenting on another feed that once we got over this area here, that the market was going to shoot up pretty fast, several points. It's going to be a big short squeeze going on there. And sure enough, in a couple minutes it jumped up about 3 points. I was doing a live recording of that on, posted it on another it was my blog actually. Yeah. So then kept writing that out, and then we closed it out up here. Was closing it out, trying to close it out on somewhat on strength. I got a market order in here. I did not change the contract size once I went in here, because I originally went in with 2 and then added 1 more for 3. Actually, it was first 1 and then 2. So anyway, what happened was I had to close this out as a market order, but then I ended up going short 1. So I sold the one I had, then went short 1. But that was a mistake, so I quickly just closed it out at minus a tick. So that's what that was all about. Let me show you where the other trade was. It was about half an hour, 45 minutes later, right here at 10:33. Went long and held both of those contracts out. Still was expecting higher prices, and sure enough we did get it. This here I closed it out at 5 3/4 points on strength, mostly strength, coming back just a touch, got out right here. And then this was a market order out, and this was stopped, got stopped out right here. So not too bad. That was 4 1/4 points on the next trade. So yeah, did pretty well there. Just a few trades. One little mistake trade there cost me a tick, but overall a very good day. Earlier we had some really nice big moves to the downside, and maybe I can just go to there and I'll show you some of that. Okay, it was this earlier around 9 o'clock was the start of that big sell-off. Happened right in this area right here at 10:44 again, and see, we had a nice move down, a small move back, continuation move down, kept on dropping. There's a few spots in there that you could have added on. So from a potential short of just under 1044, say call it 1043, all the way down to the bottom here. Could conceivably call either this out here, or if you made it to the other side, somewhere out here. But you're looking at 43, 13, 12, 13 points there on the downside with that run right there. Pretty nice move. Didn't catch any of it because I wasn't trading, but just got the moves there that I showed you a little bit earlier. That's what we do every day. Don't always get those big of a moves like I got today. A lot of times I'll scalp a few ticks, 3 ticks to a point out of the market 3-4 times, and then call that a day. So, but the market's been moving lately. Well, thanks for tuning in. Vince, Sniper Day Trading.